Okay, well, here I have the macaroni bottle. I got a bubble, 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 bubble. And this should go with it. Then I got the chicken. Got me this baby right here. Mixed vegetable. Some sweet, spicy hot sauce. Got my salt. Got some pepper here. And black pepper and stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna throw the chicken in here till after the chicken is now marinated. I'm gonna throw it right here. Okay, I got my chicken in there. Yeah, that shit is cooking. Yeah, I'm about to strain that. I'll just strain that. Get this in here. Gotta strain these mixed vegetables and so on here. I'll be back. Yeah, baby. Yes. I love cooking here. Okay, so I just strained this. Now what I like to do is add a little butter to it for flavor, and also if any loosen up. In most cases it loosen up whatever you do when you add butter to it, so give me a minute. Okay, adequate amount of butter, and just look how this is melting.